Welcome everyone, I'm here to show you how to calculate the capacitors on a series circuit. First we look at the circuit. We got 3 capacitors, 2F, 4F and 6F, C1, C2, C3. The voltage here is 10 volts. First thing I do is to find the total value of the capacitor in the circuit. To find the total value of capacitors in the series circuit, you apply this formula for the series circuit, which means we could have 1.09 Farad. Now the second step is to find the total charge. The equation for total charge is the total capacitance times the volts. In the series circuit you can see here 10 volts, which is the total capacitance, which is 1.09 times the volts equals to 10.9 charge, 10.9 coulombs, which is the SI units for charge, I believe. You do not need to find each charge for you do not need to find the charge for each capacitors, as they all share the same charge because this is a series circuit. Now step 3 is to find the voltage for each capacitor, which is V equals to the total charge divided by the total divided by the capacitance value in each capacitor, which is for C1 is 10.9 divided by 2, which is 5.45 volts. To find V2, which is 10.4 divided by 4, it's 2.73 volts. V3 is 10.9. It's 10.9 for V2, V1. 10.9 for V3 divided by 6 is 1.816, rounded to 2 decimal place, which is 1.82 volts. To find the total voltage is to add them. They must equal to 10 volts. Step 4 is to find the potential energy from each capacitor. The equation for that is half times each capacitor times the square of times by square of the voltage, each voltage. You can see here PE1, which is 0.5 times the value of capacitance from C1, and you square the voltage for C1, which is 29.7 joules. The SI unit for energy is joules. The same goes for C2 and C3, as you can see here. I hope this has helped you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.